My name is Megha. I'm talking on behalf of Nairaj Private Limited. We are based in Jaipur, and I'm the merchandiser for the organization. And we basically do summer clothing in pure cottons, and our USP is our prints, which are full of colors and just vibrancy.
What makes your collection unique, and what are you really showcasing here?
We do not work with any of the fabrics which are, say, not organically sourced, but our fabrics are basically cotton. We work with different varieties of cotton, and our USP is prints. So we try to amalgamate different prints in terms of inspirations that we take from Jaipur and its art, but also making it look very contemporary and modern at the same time. So a blend of both is what we work with.
It's great to hear about you.
Thank you.
So, what are the challenges and opportunities do you see in this textile industry?
Okay, so I think definitely the opportunities are immense. It's just it takes an eye to see one, but I think there are a lot many challenges as well in terms of, say, printing, the availability, how the process goes further. So I think the daily challenges are being handled as per they come, but more or less we are always looking forward to grabbing the best of the times.
So, how has been your experience so far at BharatTex, and what feedback would you love to give?
Sure. So with this organization, I've been working with for around 4 years from now, and I think it's been a good experience in terms of getting to know different buyers from different countries and what all they require, and we each time get to know more in terms of how better we can cater to them. So yeah, we each time come up with new things in terms of how we can provide better and more improvised versions to what they want from us, and we look forward to each season each time.
Great. And any feedback for BharatTex?
Yeah, I think I would say there could be a little more organized setup in terms of when things are moving forward, say from the day of setup, because as you can see, our booth, we've done all the work by ourselves. Like we did not buy a bare space, but again, all of the decorations you see are done by us. So there was a little hassle at the time of setup date. So that's something where I would like to drop my feedback in, wherein there the situations can be a little more humanized and can be considered, so it can be good for everybody.
One last question.
Sure.
Where do you see your business by the next BharatTex edition?
I think with each season we are upscaling in terms of getting to know new countries and new buyers, and we're always welcome to host new buyers in new countries and their work. So that's something we're hoping for.